How to make Cash App auto accept payment. Let's get started. Launch your Cash App. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom you're gonna find the fin icons. Click on this fin icon given at the bottom left corner. Now scroll down. You will see the option of recurring deposit. You have to click on that option. Under recurring deposit, you will see the option of auto cash feature. Enabling this feature will prompt you to specify how often you would like to add cash. You can choose your preferred frequency from the available options. After selecting the frequency, you will be asked to provide the specific date on which you would like to add cash. Additionally, indicate the preferred amount you wish to add. At this stage, you will be required to provide a card for the deposit. Please ensure that you have a valid card linked to your Cash App account before proceeding. And that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily make Cash App auto accept payment. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.